I got a new haircut. Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about one camera lens that you'll ever need, and by my opinion this is 24-70 f2.8 camera lens that provides me a lot of flexibility and really you can do different style of photography with this. You can shoot everything from 24 up to 70 millimeters. You don't have to switch your camera lenses, and this is really great if you are running gun shooting and you don't want to maybe bring a lot of different lenses with you. So 800 grams really can ease your workflow. This camera lens is f2.8, which means you can open aperture really wide and allow a lot of light to fall on a sensor, which basically means you don't have to crank up ISO during nighttime shooting and risking noisy photos. And also you can get this beautiful bokeh, and you can get this shallow depth of field. What are the cons for this lens is that it's not so sharp as prime lenses, and second one is that you cannot achieve this beautiful bokeh from f1.4 1.2 because you are now limited to f2.8, but it is fast enough for most of your shots. So this is a cons, and this is why people are using prime lenses. But with all that being said, I would say this lens is really amazing, and you can do all your job with just one lens with this one. This particular lens is Canon 24-70 2.8 L version 2, and it is really great lens. It's L series premium line from Canon, really great build quality and also really sharp lens. I would say it's so expensive, but if you are on a budget, you can consider buying from 24-70 f2.8 from Tamron or Sigma. I believe Tamron also has stabilization, which is big plus. If you are on a crop sensor camera, there's our equivalent for this lens, 70-55 f2.8 lens. So this camera lens is for everyone who just starting with photography, who just starting with videography, or everyone who is just doing it professionally, from running gun shooting, shooting weddings, events, or even landscape photography, traveling, everything that you do basically. And you can do so a lot of different styles of photography with this lens, and you can produce really amazing photos out of it. I'm using it all of the time. It basically lives on my camera, and I'm so happy. I always felt need for, you know, that zooming flexibility and react in a moment when you don't have time for lens switching and doing some you know, preparation. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please give me a comment down below. If you find it helpful, give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. See you in next video, guys. Bye bye.